In this video, I will show you how to make dashed line in Illustrator. We start by opening a new document in Illustrator, and the first step is to select the pen tool from the left toolbar. Next, we click anywhere on the artboard, and if our goal is to create a straight dashed line, we click on the second point and release the mouse to generate a straight segment. In my situation, I want the dashed line to follow a curved path. So when placing the second point, instead of releasing, we hold the mouse button down and drag to control the curve, and then release. After that, we press the escape key, activate the standard selection tool and click outside. Then we select the curved line again and navigate to the window menu. From this drop-down menu, we choose stroke, click on the free horizontal lines and select show options. After that, we enable the dashed line option, although the dashed line is not created yet. In the dash fields, we enter a value such as 40, or in the gap fields, we type 80. In the weight section, I enter 20, we select the right icon, and that's it.